Hi guys, it's Free Brick Shop here. Just to give you a small update on the used Lego haul we made a couple of weeks ago. So all the parts have been sorted. The bins, as you can see, are empty. And now we're into the next stage, is in washing the parts. And yeah, we already washed. Those are some orders that needs to be sent out today. We're now in the bathroom. We already washed and two different kinds of bricks. So these are the normal bricks that are now drying, already washed. And when we go back into the Lego room, we see that we're already parting out the slopes into a little bit more defined categories. As you can see, the 4x2s, the inverted 2x2s, the 2x3s, 45s, the 2x3 inverteds. There are a lot more different kinds in this pile, as you can see. But yeah, this is basically what's going on today, and hopefully we can do a little bit more later tonight. So yeah, expect an update. Thank you. Bye bye. Hi guys, it's Free Brick Shop again. Wanted to provide you with a small update. So we are basically halfway, or kind of halfway, sorting out and uploading the sloped pieces. What you see here in the plastic cups, and yeah, this little lot here, those plastic cups, and this is basically all what's left. It's quite a lot to do, but the pile is growing smaller, as I say. While we are here, I wanted to show you a small tutorial about Brickstore. If you don't know the piece number, you can use the camera option in Brickstore. Yeah, so as you can see, this is my laptop. I have Brickstore open, and I have a webcam on a small mount, adjustable mount, which is pointed downwards, and here is a small piece that we don't know what the item number is. So basically what we do is, in Brickstore we go to this icon right here. I don't know if you can see it, add items. Click on it, and then it gives you an overview on to add parts and pieces one by one. So what we're going to do is we're going to choose the webcam option. The shortcut key is Control D, and it opens the feed of our webcam, which is also connected to Brickignite to recognize the parts. As you can see, the item type is set to part. The camera is also recognized. So the only thing we have to do now is press our spacebar, takes a picture, and as you can see, it gives you a selection of pieces. It might be it. So in our case, it's the top one. So we click on it, we choose a color on the right side, which is white. We choose our quantity, which is 1. Our condition is used, and basically that's it. Click add or press enter to add it to your existing overview on Brickstore. And that's it. See you guys later for a next update. We'll do one shortly once all these pieces have been uploaded, so I can give you a short recap on the item count, the lot count, and the estimated value. See you guys later. Hi guys, here we are again. As promised, I would give you an update when all the slopes parts of the used Lego haul have been sorted out and uploaded into Brickstore. So we have come now to that point. It's Thursday the 22nd of August around 8 p.m. and I don't know if you can see it all that clearly, but this is the amount that we ended up with. So 238 different lots, counting for 815 pieces, totaling for a generous amount of 46 euros and a couple of cents. So next step is now to upload it into our stores, and then the next part is to move on to the next washed batch, which will be the bricks. As you can see, this is significantly a larger batch than the slopes. So yeah, we have our work cut out for us. For now, that's it, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.